Hi guys, I'd like to introduce you to Gina. This is my fine, straight-haired girl. Like many of my clients that have fine, straight hair and you need special cuts with texture in them to have your hair do anything for you. Well, that's the number one thing that I get here in the salon. I get a lot of people asking me, how can I get more volume? Obviously, that's going to be, a really great cut you get from your stylist. But other than that, I want to show you some little tricks you can do on your own at your house. Now, I am a Goldwell salon, so I am using Goldwell products, but whatever you have on hand is going to be just fine. So I wanted to show you some volumizing that you can do with dry shampoo. And there's now sprays for creative texture. Goldwell specifically has one called creative texture. But this is for people that, when you get that really awesome cut, there's a lot of texture in it. And especially for my fine hair girls, you go to use like that paste or, something real sticky. And you put it in your hair and it all of a sudden looks like it's wet and it just kind of falls. It's because it's too heavy. And there's so many different oils and water, and it just weighs the hair down, and it's not giving you the volume you were hoping for that it would do on somebody with medium texture hair. So what I wanted to show you today was I have dry shampoo. Like I said, I'm a Goldwell salon, so I use Goldwell. And then I have the creative texture, and these are dry. There's not any kind of liquid water stuff in these, and so it's not going to make your hair fall flat and limp. So I'm going to take one side of this head. So on one side, you just pick up the spots where you want some volume. Spray at the root right underneath. Pick it up, spray at the root right underneath. Pick it up, spray at the root right underneath. And so as you can see, I want to get a little bit more texture in here for her. I'm going to show you with some styling tools what we can do here. So you can see how fine and limp that was. Well, just by adding that little extra bit of oomph from your dry shampoo, you can see how it starts to pick up and lift. So now it doesn't look wet. She doesn't look like she's got any kind of, sticky product in there, but it gives her so much more lift, and that's just from using a little bit of dry shampoo. And then you can go in and you can do some finger stuff and you can pick that hair up so it actually will stay up for you, elevated, and you can put it right where you want your volume. So that's your number one dry shampoo little trick. And then I'll show you what creative texture can do. It's very similar to dry shampoo. It's a dry texture spray, so it is going to have something in there that will give you a little bit more of an oomph than your dry shampoo, but they both will work for volume if that's what you're going for. So again, you're just going to pick up the piece that you want to have volume in. I'm going to pick up the piece. Spray right at the root where you want to see the volume. And as you can see, that's already, oh my goodness. It's a little bit of a madhouse, but hang on. We're gonna tone that down a little bit. But this gives you the ability to pick and place where you want it. If you want kind of a PC look, you can create it with dry texture. So anyway, I just wanted to do something fun for you guys and show you guys what you can accomplish with a little bottle of dry shampoo or a dry texture spray. You don't have a greasy look. You didn't have to use any kind of heat tool in here. Just make sure your stylist gives you an awesome textured cut. And then these dry products will certainly give you all the volume in the world you want. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye from Miss Julie's Hair Studio.